3, 2, 1.
This is my previous rocket, and just like my previous two, it failed to deploy its parachute. So teaming up with Gideon, we designed and made a rocket with the goal of reusability.
We used an Estes C113 engine, which we housed in fins printed on my new 3D printer.
Before we printed the nose cone, we designed some test fit rings to make sure it would fit well in the body of the rocket.
We cut it down to size, painted the nose and fins blue and the body red with spray paint.
After modifying the launch pad to suit a 3-fin rocket, we created a parachute out of a plastic bag.
Eyelets were added so that we could attach it to a ring designed in Fusion 360 that was secured with glue inside of the rocket.
Made a quick blast protector out of wood and some old plastic packaging.
We added the logo and it was ready for launch.
Alright, give us a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The parachute deployed, but the line snapped and it detached from the rocket, leaving it to fall and break its fins.
So I reprinted the fins and nose cone so that they would be stronger and made the shock cord entirely rubber band.
Oh, it's going that way.
Pop!
Oh, it's going that way.
Pop!
Oh, it's going fast.
Oh, yes! That's it! The second launch worked perfectly, and even though the third launch broke the rocket, we did get one back-to-back reusable launch.